I live alone, and it's always worried me that if I had a fall, either at home or outside the home, that I might lie there for hours or even days sometimes, and no one would know about me and come to help me. Famil.Care has done some research, and they've come up with the fact that two of the greatest worries for old people, the first is a sudden fall, 77%, and sudden illness, 66%. Famil.Care addresses these two worries. A fall would immediately trigger the emergency button, which would send an alert to my family. And they would know that something had happened, and they would also know where I was.